Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this week's Craft with WAC. I'm Jessica, this is Bianca and Sebastian. Today we are going to make bird feeders. So the supplies that we have here, we have some empty jugs, we have some empty toilet paper rolls, we have Bianca found some dried up markers that she's going to use as posts for the birds to stand on.
A crayon with no crayon in it.
Perfect way to use those junk items. We have seeds, we have scissors, string, some markers, seeds, and we'll start with
wild butter too.
Yeah, we have wild butter to spread on our stuff to make our seed stick because we bought a giant jug for school, and wow, it does not taste like peanut butter.
And also I have this bubble mixer blower thingy, and it does not work because there's no bubbles to come, is it really?
Okay, so the first one we're going to do is the Milk Jug Feeder.
How would you do
Now, if you haven't thrown away your lid, keep it, because we just pulled these out of the recycling and didn't really think any better because then all your seeds can stay dry. So the idea is that we're going to fill it to a certain level with bird feed. So Bianca's going to pick where all the little windows that she wants the birds to eat from are. So we're going to start with that.
But I'm not going to use these pieces of dried up all of these. And I also found this like streamer thing we just laying around on the floor. Oh, that's mine.
Okay. Bianca, where do you want your holes to be for
like in the middle here.
Like that? The middle row?
I would find here.
Can't just hold up. I can only do one at a time. Like that?
Yeah.
Okay. So if your jug has a handle, that's very convenient because that's where you can hang it from.
And also, you should probably use comedian mug for it. If you want to do some details on your bird feeder, you should use comedian mug because or else it'll just all wash off when it's raining.
This part doesn't matter because this was just where we're drawing our holes from. So I'm going to get all of these holes cut out for Bianca. Best to ask an adult to do this part. Cut it into
cut your finger off.
Yeah, you could cut your finger off. That'd be terrible.
You'd just be dead.
You wouldn't be dead. You just wouldn't have a finger.
Maybe my grandma told me a story like that.
Yeah, it can happen. So Sebastian, which one are you going to do first? Can we do one of the rolling ones? One of the ones where we spread the butter onto it?
This one.
That one? Sure. Yeah, you can grab your supplies.
And I'll be back in just 1 second or maybe minute. I don't know. It might be 2 minutes or maybe.
I don't think it'll take you that long to find the giant glowing star.
It is giant.
Yeah, it is.
And it's glowing. No, it glows in the dark. It doesn't glow right now.
No, it's glow in the dark, but that way they figured that the birds would then find their feeders.
In the night time.
Okay, one more to go for you, and then you can start decorating however you want.
So if you have any of these, you should use glow in the dark objects if you have any, because that will help the birds know where the bird feeders are eating at night.
But what kind of birds eat at night, though?
Owls.
Owls. Yeah, there are two. So what are there any other nocturnal birds that you know of?
Owls.
And do you think owls are going to come eat our bird seed? No. What do they like to eat?
No.
Mice.
Rats.
Mice.
Rats.
Yeah, small things. Okay, you can start decorating.
Okay. Use a pink and purple.
Of course. Now for Sebastian. Now Sebastian, you get to spread this. Let's smush it up a bit. So I'll hold this, and you just spread it all over. Okay, I'll start it. Like this. Smush, smush, smush. Now these feeders made out of paper products they're not going to last long. So don't put these out if it's going to rain because they'll just turn to mush. There we go. Now for the fun part.
Take them and
roll it in your seeds.
Take them and as you know it's going to rain.
Yeah.
Check your calendar every day to see if it's going to rain.
Perfect.
You meant phones.
Phone, calendar, whatever, the weather. It's alright if you get it on your hands. We can wash it off. So keep on rolling.
Mommy, look at the booty.
Oh, that's a lovely little bird. Okay.
What am I getting? Alright,
Perfect.
tail bang.
And just like that, Sebastian, we're going to cut a length of string here and put it through toilet paper. And we'll tie it up. And you have a bird feeder that you can hang up already. How fast was that?
Faster than I am.
I know. That's a super fast one.
But this one you can.
Do you want to go hang this outside? Okay.
We need you to go calendar every day to make sure.
Okay, well just right now you look at the sky and we've had seeds stuck in the middle. That's okay. Here, hop down from the chair and I'll hand it to you. Okay. Take that. Okay, I'm gonna make a bird feeder too. I found a nice little narrower bottle. I'm gonna put
pink and purple primitive markers. And it's not like we're telling you have to use primitive markers. Like it would just be best. It would just be best.
You don't want washable markers in something that's gonna be outdoors. You're totally right.
So you can still, you don't have to use primitive markers, but primitive marker is the best way to use.
Okay, we're going to try a different knife so I don't. I'm coming. I just hang it from one of the rose bushes until I come out, okay? Or that raspberry cane. Raspberry or roses, just hang it from one of those two. We'll fix it later. It's a little windy out. Sebastian's having a little bit of trouble getting his bird feeder hung up.
So you should probably ask Adam to come with you while you need bird feeder.
It also helps for reaching lower. That worked really good, just to poke a knife in to get it started. But it's loud. It's going to be a noisy video.
Yeah,
Did you
this
get
is
it
going
up?
to be a very noisy video.
I'll be quick with the cutting.
Try your best to be quick.
Let's go back to scissors. Okay, Sebastian, what do you want to do next? Do you want to do an acorn one? Or that?
Elmo.
Oh, yeah. Bianca had a snack right before we
Started
started
the video.
the video. And
And my brother's going to use it.
yeah, she was about to
Throw it out.
throw it out, and he said, no, let's use that.
And I think that was a very good idea.
Very, very good way to not waste things.
Yeah, way to not waste.
Like wow butter that we'll never eat. Maybe do you think the birds will be able to tell that it's not butter?
I don't think that's butter.
You know, this apple might be too wet for the peanut butter, the wow butter to stick to. So that's not really working.
So
So
don't
you
use
can
apple
still roll
core.
it in the seeds if you want.
But don't use apple cores with peanut
Okay. So I've got my hole cut out here. And then I'm going to,
You cut it in a rush.
pardon me, I cut it in a rush. Well, it's just one small hole. This isn't a super long craft.
No, I said we were kind of in a rush. Here's another knife to
Oh,
pop.
no, I'm just going to try and, there we go. I just want to poke a little hole in. Because you need a stick to go in for your birds to stand on.
Mommy, please put a little hole. Well,
Oh.
big enough for this to go in. I like to try these.
And then I want one on the other side to keep it sturdy. So right there. Those are.
Can I borrow the knife?
Nope, but I can use the knife for you.
Why can't we?
Because the plastic is really slippery. And it's not so easy to.
So I guess you have to ask him.
Yeah, that part's the total adult job.
And for the big shells, and I guess
There
that
we go.
is a strong person's job to push that through.
So,
You so
there I
bad.
have my really basic bottle feeder. Like I said, we kind of prematurely threw away all these lids. So I have a problem with keeping things like corks, because admit it, like that's a pretty nice looking cork. So I can fill my feeder from the bottom
With sunflower
with seeds and then put a cork in it.
Ginormous.
Oh, George, I forgot about a hanger. So we need to be able to hang it, right?
That's funny.
Yeah.
Here's some string, which is over there.
First, I need to figure out where I'm going to put my
Can you
hole.
please poke a hole right here under?
This is for your...
Yeah, big enough for
Okay.
this to go in.
Oh, well, that's not very fun. Ooh, let's see if we have a hole punch. Okay. Because that will be easier to sneak in because you're using really big things.
I'm doing X.
Yes,
What
that's
if I
cool.
use?
We're also going to make some out of pine cones.
I want you to do my. I want you to do a pound.
Yeah, just 1 second
I
though.
want you to do a pound cone one.
Please don't whine. I am helping both of you, but I can only do one thing at a time.
I know what this could be. Could we hot glue this on? This could be like the thing that you hang it from. We hot glue it onto.
That's a great idea.
Tie a knot
That's a really
onto
good
it
idea.
And then hang it up onto a tree.
Actually, no, because you can use this handle. But I could use that. I could use that for mine. That'd be pretty awesome. Because I don't have a way to hang mine up.
I'm
But
super
if you-
hungry.
You're super hungry. Yeah, that's why we had snacks before we started.
But I'm still hungry.
Yeah, well, why don't you grab yourself an apple or a banana?
Oh, or you could eat these sunflower seeds. So
No,
easy.
those are edible would be the word. Those are for birds. Okay, so you can have
Could I
yours
eat
hanging like that.
Do
What we
I
need-
need to put? What do I need to put
You
here?
need to fill it with the butter. So, or should we do it together? Ah!
Oh.
They've recently watched the Ernest movies. Oh! So we've got a lot of sounds like that around our house now, and weird faces.
He's really funny. He's actually really funny.
What's fun is when your kids get old enough that they don't care if it's animated or not, that they'll watch old movies.
Even especially funny ones.
Yeah. What's the funniest movie you've ever seen?
Ernest.
Ernest. Okay. He's a pretty funny guy.
Or maybe Mickey Mouse.
Mickey, I didn't really think Mickey Mouse was funny.
I did.
He's more of the serious one in the group. Okay. Go ahead.
Well, I know who's funny.
Oh.
Goofy.
Goofy?
Goofy's funny.
Yeah, he is. You roll it in. Perfect. That's a really nice one.
Oh, Mom. I know a joke about Mickey. Why did Mickey want to go into outer space?
I don't know why.
Because he wanted to visit Pluto.
That's a good one. That's
His
really
dog's
good.
named Pluto.
That's good.
There's a planet named Pluto. But it's the tiniest planet.
Okay, are you
Why
done
is the
decorating
ocean
yours, Bianca?
friendly? Yeah.
Now I'm thinking, Bianca, with yours, how are the birds gonna get the seeds down here? Because if we fill it with seeds,
Then they'll just like.
we just discovered a design flaw. Because they won't be able to get any of those seeds down there.
Mama, would you try this? And it will just all fall out. I could tie this one on. I guess we didn't think this craft all the
No,
way.
do you want to do this one with me? This one we can fill to here. But still, even that one. How do birds get seeds from the bottom of the feeder?
I don't know.
Do you know? Anybody know?
Oh, wait, I cut a big hole and then the birds would go in it.
Oh, I know. Squirrels. Squirrels get seeds from the bottom of the feeder.
Okay, I guess we're changing the craft a little bit to school feeders and not bird feeders. School feeders. Well, the one that my brother made are bird feeders or school feeders.
Okay.
But what's the difference? School feeders.
So it's turning out that like the best of our designs so far is the easiest. The one that Sebastian's already made 2 of while we're still working on our first ones.
Mom, could I have one of that tissue paper?
This roll?
Yeah.
Of course. You want peanut butter? Maybe try one with seats. I'm gonna go grab some more toilet paper rolls because we could always, if we taped off the bottom of those and put a hole in, they could just be small individual feeders.
Okay.
I like that. Okay, I'll be right back. You take the lead. Maybe tell some more jokes. I'll be 2 seconds.
Okay, guys, why is that ocean friendly? Why? Because he waved. Let's see if I know any other ones. Knock, knock. Did you say who's there yet? Good. Yes? Good. Knock, knock. Who's there? Banana. Knock, knock. Who's there? Ernest. Ernest too. Ernest, are you kidding me? Knock, knock. Who's there? Okay, I hope you answered who's there. Interrupting cow. Move.
Okay.
Mama, I will teach
New
you
idea.
a funny joke.
I'd love to hear.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Ernest.
Ernest too.
Ernest, are you
Good
kidding
one.
me?
That's funny.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna make a different type of bird feeder now.
I don't want to do it, but can you still make them?
Yeah, of course. Okay, so I am going
Can you
to
make it?
grab a pencil.
Can I show on?
No, I will not turn a show on
But
for
then
you.
how?
Can you do something for me? Could you tell people what kind of birds live here in Weyburn?
A tufted titmouse?
He's joking. Tufted titmouses don't live here.
No, I know what lives here. Ravens.
Yeah, ravens.
Chickens.
Robins. Yeah.
Chickens.
Chickens. Yeah.
What are you making?
Oh, I thought of an even better way to do this than using the plastic containers because they're hard to cut. And then we came up with a problem of what about all the extra seeds? So if we just make small, like, feeders that you could put out, you put one out each day, the birds would very easily be able to. Okay, so what I've done is I've traced the bottom. I'm gonna tape it.
Look, some seeds.
Careful with that permanent marker. And then I'll instantly have
So many
so I
seeds.
can fill it.
I think we might need more of those than we actually thought.
Those seeds?
No.
Oh, those ones. I'll fill these ones with the sunflowers.
I have a question. Knock, knock. Where's the hot glue gun?
The hot glue gun is on the other side of the counter.
We may need to move this right here so it'll be easy to hang.
So there we go. We have a bottom. And then I will
Put some peanut butter. I'm going to do that.
some small triangles because we need to have an opening for the birds to get to.
And make sure to show us, send a video to us, send a picture to us, and show us your bird feeders.
Yeah, we'd love to see how yours turned out. Okay, and this is so easy because I didn't have to use scissors. I just put a little skewer through, so we've got our two little feeding windows.
I want to make another one.
You want to make another one? Sure.
With a stick.
With a stick? Okay. So, then I'm just going to take my feeder and fill it with seeds
They're
until
falling out.
that's how I know that I put too many in. So we'll just go, that's enough.
Oh, these sunflower seeds. And we think that you definitely have some of these in your house. You will probably have some laying around on the ground, or you can find some in the recycling bin of
Most children probably don't throw empty rolls of toilet paper on the ground, so they might not find them on the ground. They might be in the recycling.
Well, I do that.
Ta-da! Quick and easy. Sebastian, do you want to color the outside of this one, or should we just leave it plain?
Maybe you should have colored it.
That is a good thought.
What's the sticky stuff?
The sticky stuff is where the label used to be. So then this one we can fill up too.
Mom, and if you want to use some plastic bottles, they will work as well as a new idea. Mama.
Yeah, unless, I don't know, unless it's just a short plastic container.
And this video might be longer than this even. I don't know.
Oh, I was hoping we'd get rid of more of that wow butter.
We'll get rid of it very quickly.
True, I guess, because we can make these every day with those toilet paper rolls because it's so fast.
And so
It doesn't
easy
make
and
any
so
mess.
fun.
I'm going to grab my cork again and... Oh, what a lovely cork. And ta-da, that one I did to the perfect height. Bird feeder.
Mom,
And that one...
can you please get the hot why don't you never make it mine one?
Okay, but can I use that for mine? Because yours we can do with string. Nope. Sometimes people don't like to share crafts with us. Like this permanent marker. Just joking. I always share.
Mom,
Yes.
can you please give me that sticky?
You want a bottom for that?
Uh-huh.
I already have a bottom cut out.
Yeah.
Do you want to color it first?
And if you
Go for it.
and get ready, if you have a hot glue gun out that you want to use for your craft, to ask your parents to use it, or else if you're a teenager, ask your parents before using it.
Okay, well we don't have a plug-in on this side. So,
Blah, blah. Oh no, we should really plan this video.
here we go. It's still in the video.
Yeah.
Do you guys have anything else to say about this craft? Any other types of birds that you might get to your yard?
Oh, chickadees, crows, ravens.
Dark-eyed juncos. Oh, what did we see yesterday on the fence? The one with the red?
Robins.
Nope, the finch.
A house finch. A house finch. And robins. A house finch.
Yeah.
A house
Okay,
finch.
we got it. A house finch. Okay. Well, you guys enjoy making your bird feeders. Remember to really think about the packaging that you use to make sure that...
You should think about that.
Yeah,
because
that's pretty darn cute, just like that. And it took just a couple minutes. And not even all ages can make this one.
Even 1 year old.
I don't know about that.
I don't know.
Okay, well you guys enjoy your day. Thanks for watching. And we hope to see your bird feeders.
Bye. Bye.